Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing PyYaml and loading it in your project. This gives you the Yaml API. Open the Yaml file in read mode and pass the file object to Yaml. Safe load to parse into Python types. Once done, inspect the returned dict or list structure so you know keys and nesting. Make sure to use safe load instead of load to prevent arbitrary code execution. This first step gets you a usable Python object immediately and avoids common security pitfalls. Now that you have a Python object, access and modify it. Use dict. Get for optional fields and bracket access when required. Once you update values, consider merging defaults using dict. Update or deep merge utilities. This keeps runtime behavior predictable. Validate the result structure either manually or with a schema tool like JSON schema or Pydantic to catch type errors early. Make sure to test edge cases like empty lists and nulls so your code handles real-world YAML variations robustly. Finally, serialize changes with YAML. Safe dump, choosing block style for readable output and explicit encoding when writing bytes. Write to a temporary file and then perform an atomic rename to replace the original file so you avoid partial writes. Once done, reload the file and run your validation suite to confirm behavior. If you hit errors, a common culprit is improper indentation, stray tabs, or unescaped special characters. Inspect the YAML with a linter and revert to the last good commit if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.